Make sure your kitchen is following safe cleaning procedures to promote safe and healthy practices in a busy kitchen. There are 2 processes for cleaning surfaces that follow general food code standards. First, there is a 3-step process for cleaning food contact surfaces. To start, you must wipe down and clean off the surface, removing any dirt or food particles with any mild soap. Next, rinse the surface off with only water. Finally, sanitize the surface with a food-safe sanitizer, like one from Noble Chemical, to complete the cleaning process. The second process is for cleaning non-food contact surfaces. This is a simple procedure where you can clean and sanitize the surface in one step by wiping it down with a sanitized cloth or by spraying the surface with sanitizer and wiping it off with a dry cloth. Using appropriate cleaning supplies is a key factor that affects the cleanliness of your establishment. Choice food service wipers and Chicopee wipers are excellent options that come in a variety of colors, so you can create a color-coded cleaning system to prevent cross-contamination. For a cleaner, try Noble Strike. For a sanitizer disinfectant, try Noble Chemical's Sani 512 on both regular surfaces and food contact surfaces for great versatility. You can also buy the 32-ounce bottles that are labeled and designed to hold diluted solutions for both of these products for easier use.